Over here.
You can see that's Phil's trailer back there. There's one parking spot of space in between his front and his back. That's the leeway there. That's a hard turn. It took us a while, but finally we got it. And then we got us over here. I think I might have to go and move this one around too, because let me see. Nope. Oh, look at that. Aaron's got it. Aaron parked this one. Phil and I took some turns on that one. Looks like somebody ran against the red curb there somewhere. But wow, I'm impressed. Aaron was done way before we were. Go, girl. Look at that. She missed the tree with the slides, both of them. That's my wife. All right, we're going into Cracker Barrel to have some dinner with some friends, and we're staying here.
Mine. Yeah, definitely not a dog. What are you filming?
Go on, jump it.
I can't.
You can.
No, just what?
Yeah, Linga did it.
It's all.
Jump it. Run and jump.
It's fun because it's authority. Okay. Love you.
I'm just gonna go say goodbye to Harris and then I'm gonna go. Hey guys, look, it's sludgy. It's sludgy. It's actually sludge. Okay. Are you coming too?
Whoa, that was close.
All right, so I decided to take a quick video while I was walking down the street, and then like everybody and their mother started driving down the street. But so if it continues, sorry for the road noise. But let's see. So we're sitting outside Fred Meyer right now, and that is because after we went to dinner at the Cracker Barrel / Cabela's parking lot, we got a knock on the door after we got the trailers all set up, and it was a parking lot security guard. And he said, "Sorry, you can't stay here." Aaron had called and checked with a different Cracker Barrel, and they said, yeah, you can come stay. And then we changed it to be closer to the people that we were supposed to be visiting, make it less of an inconvenience for them. And we didn't get a call into this one to say, hey, does your parking lot allow overnight stays? And it didn't, so we packed it up. The security guard was nice. He said, hey, Fred Meyer's across the street. You can go park there. So, we packed up and we moved across the street. Not a big deal. It was much easier to pull in. It's just a nice big open space in the back. So now it's close to 10. I'm walking Sheriff before we head out so he can stretch his legs. He doesn't often get as much as that on a drive day. Good thing he's a lazy dog. But I just wanted to give a quick update on that. What a morning. There's a chipmunk over there staring at me. Okay, so the Tale of Woes goes like this. We left. Where did we stay? We stayed in a parking lot. Yes, we did. We stayed in the Fred Meyer parking lot. All right. I'm remembering. The night's events are slowly returning to me. So yesterday, we left Fred Meyer, and we headed south, and we stopped in Eugene to visit my cousin Steve and Amy and their kids, and we stopped and hung out at a park. That was awesome. Got to visit. We don't get to see them nearly enough.
You gotta hang there though. You can't fall out.
Oh yeah. Dunk it.
Watch your feet.
Don't lick it. Ew.
Oh, you're gonna get mono now.
What are you doing up there?
Such a good picture.
Dad, Deacon needs help.
Megan needs help?
Yeah.
All right, I don't know that we have time to raise you all the way up there, though.
So I don't mind cute pictures, but
He'll probably fall out of it.
yeah, you'd be hilarious. So
It has gone up over the last
I would always say politely, it's just take the picture, but have them get out of it if you could.
That's the result of good play. So we hung out with them and probably stayed a little too long. We were having a great time, so it was easy to lose track of time. And by the time we left, we headed south towards Grants Pass, and we had to make a couple stops on the way, as usually happens on a drive day. So they stopped at this rest stop, and it occurred to me while we were stopped here that I forgot my glasses. It actually occurred to me while we were driving, but since I remembered while I was walking around, now I got them. And when we got here, it was like 10 o'clock, and the Selma Lake, I think it's a state campground, had pretty poor directions. They guided you towards the street that it was on off the highway, and then they said, and then it's 0.3 miles to the campground. It seemed like more than 0.3 miles. There was an address on the bottom of the email that we had, and we followed that, and that took us to a loop that was in the campground, but it was not the loop we were camping in. So we ended up passing the campground because there was no signage on how to turn in here from the secondary road off the highway to the tertiary road to the turn-in for the campground. Yeah, so we had passed this turn-in for what turned out to be another campground. And so we pulled in there, and we sat in their parking lot for, must have been a half an hour or so. The owner came out, and we told him the loop we were in. He pointed us in the right direction, gave us, said, make two rights, and or make a left out of here, make two rights, and you should see it. And, we did. And so we started pulling in. We thought, great, finally. So we get down to the bottom. There's another sign that says, Mallard Loop. We're in the Mallard Loop. And about 10 feet on the other side of that sign is, I would say, a good 50 feet across water in the road. Now, I'm inclined to think that this being a campground, it was not deep water, but it was dark and it was late and we were tired. And so we decided that we didn't want to get stuck in what could have been muddy water and not be able to get out in the middle of the night. So after some investigating and some talking myself off of the ledge of jumping into this water with the trucks. We just parked in the day use area and slept until morning. We're gonna follow that little outcropping of boulders on the left side.
Okay.
And once you get into the water and start turning, you'll see the road. It's very obvious where to go.
Okay, thank you.
Turns out, just like I suspected, it was at most like maybe 6-8 inches deep at the deepest part. It was paved all the way through. You couldn't tell that because there was a bunch of gravel going in, so it looks like maybe it was to fill some potholes. There were a couple dips right at the beginning, or maybe there's some muddy spots that they were trying to cover over with that. But so we drove the trailers in. Aaron parked it in one shot, and then I parked it in one shot.
That is the clumsiest boy. He's always hurting himself and then screaming. We wait a few minutes and then we distract him and he forgets all about it. Kid's tough as nails, but he doesn't know it. So this is the setup here. Looks like they got 13 or so, what do they say, 40 plus foot pads. Full hookups, 50 amp service.
This is a county park. I thought it was a state park when it first came in. We're getting ready to go for a walk. Taking Sheriff. He's concerned about his boy.
Got the deer camera out. Sawyer's ready to hunt some game.
On to walking.
No dead fish. Clean water. It's perfect.
It's disgusting.
Don't
touch him,
kill
baby.
it.
He'll slither up. Oh my gosh.
Banana slug. Oh, look at him
His
moving.
backside goes so slow.
It looks like
It'll take him an hour to get up here. Oh, I almost stepped on him.
Slug's head. They've got this little clear spot like fish's gills.
Really?
Yeah. Wow, this is cool.
Said his name's Chum.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad.
Hey, Sawyer.
I don't know how this tree even did like this.
Well, all of the roots fell with the tree and all this dirt.
Probably.
It pulled the dirt out of the ground.
Oh!
Look at Sheriff's jowl.
I know.
Sheriff.
Big duty.
Sheriff, you're disgusting.
Deeper than I ever knew.
It's hard to pedal. Sawyer, you got it easy, bud.
Dad, is that waterproof?
These kids are always getting me to do it first.
Go, 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 go. I like to see that.
Come on! It is cold, come on.
We can come on in.
It's about as cold as the blue hole.
Get me back.
Look, my hair goes there with mommy. So, too cold for you, huh?
No, just too cold the first time.
Just the first time? Are you gonna jump in again?
Yes.
Okay, let me help you out. Are you having fun? I guess not. No fun for you?
Yes. Let me splatter. Feet ahead and front.
Come on. Nope. Yep. Here you go, baby. Nothing like ice cream after boating. Thanks, Grandma.
Thank you, Ryan, for boating. I love this place. A few days ago, I hated it so much. I couldn't wait to
Hey,
get
what's
out of
that
here.
red thing? Big Dubby toy.
I have a chair. Life is good.
Chair?
Didn't even know I wanted one that rocked.
Yeah, it's kind of a nice chair.
I love it.
Now make a line.
How cool if you had
Now
horses
make a circle.
to come camp over there. There's
Now
a
make
cool
a circle.
horse camp, and you could go. The trails are gorgeous.
I have never seen that before.
Now put
I'm
it
sure there's
in.
plenty of campgrounds that have it, but that's
Yeah.
pretty
Now
awesome.
make-
I've never seen it,
rock
but I've
line.
seen it on booking. I've seen it on
Yeah.
booking. That's a thing.
Now make a circle.
So over there,
Now
There's-
make a line.
campsites with horse corrals on them. And you can come in, pull in your camper and your horse trailer, and they've got like an open pen where you can keep your horse. So you can come here and camp and have your horse and ride the trails. They've got horse trails.
There's a giant spider that just crawled past Cher's face, and he didn't even notice it. It's on its way now, but man, I don't like spiders. Did you see it? It's going up your bike now.
That's your bike.
Oh dear.
Let me see.
Drop a spokey doke on it.
Found a
Found a pink spokey doke at the bottom
It's
of
at the
my white
bottom.
rim.
See? Here, just stick your finger down there and press on it.
No!
Sawyer will
Oh,
kill it.
come
for me.
on.
Sawyer will kill it for me.
Sawyer, stick your finger on there. Oh my gosh. Nope, there he goes. Now he's climbing up on Lincoln's bike.
Ooh.
Sorry, dude. Boss's orders. What is this? What?
He likes to hold on to. Good boy.
He's afraid. Afraid of the spider.
Spider? I don't blame him.
Do, 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 do.
You hear that?
There it is.
There you go.
Yeah.
How did the smash burgers go?
It did not go well. I was getting the spatula. I need this thing. It's a special tool.
They still look delicious.
Mom, it tastes like hot chocolate. Eat it.
Take a bite.
What?
Take a
a bite.
Let me try.
Here, let Sawyer have a turn, bub.
Let me have a try.
Go for it, Sawyer.
I'll work on this one on the other side.
Oh! Oh, good one.
Almost.
Oh, Sawyer. Ooh, buddy. What you got going on over here? Oh, I missed it.
Throwing it.
Oh my
He's
gosh.
walking up
Okay,
on
kind of
it.
like a carrot.
Hey, I didn't say stealing. Oh, this is fun. This is fun. Let me have a toy. Oh.
I could never settle down too far away from my hometown. With my family I am bound. I stick by them till I'm in the ground. Resting on the myth of old, all of the stories I've been told. Secret places hidden well are gone now as far as I can tell.